Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth with your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and ensure it is discoverable. Then, on your Outlander's infotainment system, find and press the settings or phone button to access the Bluetooth menu. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Once you're in the Bluetooth menu, select the option to add device or pair device. Your Outlander's system will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. A list of available devices will appear on the screen. Carefully locate and select your phone's name from this list. This step tells your Outlander which specific device you want to connect. After selecting your phone, a pairing request will pop up on both your mobile device and the Outlander's display. It's very important to check that the passkey or PIN shown on both screens is identical. Once you've confirmed they match, accept the pairing request on both your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system. This final confirmation establishes the secure Bluetooth link. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy the convenience of hands-free calling, making and receiving calls safely. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your Outlander's sound system. Moving forward, your phone should automatically reconnect to the vehicle each time you start it, providing seamless integration for your drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.